Local news for Wednesday the 20th of June. Buses will be replacing some trains on the Wairarapa line between Upper Hutt and Masterton this coming weekend as part of their planned maintenance schedule. And work to improve services for Wellington commuters passed an important milestone on Monday with the signing of a $49 million contract to replace the overhead line system that supplies power to Meatlink's commuter trains on the Hutt line. 3 new films have been added to the lineup for the New Zealand Film Festival, set to screen in Masterton at the end of August. One of those, She Shares, is directed by Jack Nichol and details 2 legendary shearers and 3 in the making as they head for the Black Shirt glory at the Golden Cheers. And in sport, round 1 of the Senior Reserve Rugby competition wraps up this weekend. A win for Tuharangi this week against Ekirahuna will seal the first round for them, with Puketoi just 1 point behind.